Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will discuss what is Get. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So our article for today, we will discuss about Get, provided to us by wikipedia.org. Thank you Wikipedia. So Get is a distributed version control system that tracks changes in any set of computer files, usually used for coordinating work among programmers who are collaboratively developing source code during software development. Its goal its goals include speed, data integrity, and support for distributed nonlinear workflows, thousands of parallel branches running on different computers. Get was originally authored by Linus Torvalds in 2005 for development of the Linux kernel, with other kernel developers contributing to its initial development. Since 2005, Honyo Hamano has been the core maintainer. As with most other distributed version control systems, and unlike most client-server systems, every Get directory on every computer is full-fledged repository with complete history and full version tracking abilities, independent of network access or central server. Get is free and open source software shared under the GPL 2.0 only license. Since its creation, Get has become the most popular distributed version control system, with nearly 95% of developers reporting to it as primary version control systems as of 2022. There are many popular offerings of Get repositories including GitHub, SourceForge, Bitbucket, and GitLab. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Get, a very popular version control tool for developers and programmers. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.